This tutorial will show you how to get the Lumetri color panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. First step to get the Lumetri color panel or panels in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Well, it's just one panel, but basically we can't add color to our clips right here because we can't really do anything unless we go to effects and type in color key, or wait, sorry, we type in Lumetri color and then we can drag it on and we can go to effects control. We can adjust the Lumetri color right here, basic correction, creative, curves. You kind of get the point. You want to go to the top hand screen and click window and scroll down until you see Lumetri color, which is below libraries and above Lumetri scopes. And now you have successfully restored back the Lumetri color panel or window in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free.